Hello universe, my name is Sleepy and on this channel we talk about mycology, and in this video I'm going to be going over some tools and supplies that you might find in a novice to intermediate mycology setup. So without further ado, let's get into it. First tool is a plastic tote. They are versatile, come in different sizes, and have multiple uses. The first use would be a fruiting chamber, and the second use would be a still air environment, also known as a still air box, or SAB for short. Tool number 2 would be a scalpel set. I purchased mine from Spore and it is very well put together. This video is not sponsored, but I do recommend their products, and I will leave a link in the description so you all can check them out. Before purchasing that set, I used one scalpel for about 2 years with no issues. Mason jars is another tool that is versatile, but mostly used for sterilizing grains. I stick with the Ball brand, wide mouth 32 quart canning jars, and I'll go over lids in a future video. That's a whole nother topic, modified lids. Micropore tape, which is a breathable tape used for securing openings on fruiting chambers or jars to allow for proper gas exchange. Parafilm or cling wrap. Parafilm is like a lab grade cling wrap. It's stretchy and flexible and works well with sealing petri dishes. And then petri dishes are some type of PP5 rating plastic container that can withstand the 15 psi cycle for pressure cooking. Agar premix or agar powder, potato, and honey or corn syrup. And again, future videos will go more in depth about agar recipes and what I do. A pressure canner with the trivet. Some people use Instapots. I prefer pressure cookers, pressure canners, a lot more space. And the trivet at the bottom allows for longer cycles, depending on what you have in there. Gloves, mask, isopropyl alcohol, 70%, a mixture of 1 to 10 bleach, which I don't have on the table right now, torch or a lighter, markers or pens for labeling, an impulse sealer for sealing mycology fruiting bags. Some of these products will be linked in the description. And in future videos, I will be going over these tools and supplies in depth. Thank you for watching. If you feel like I've left anything out, please feel free to leave a comment and let me know. And if you found value in this video, please like and subscribe. It goes a long way. See you guys in the next one. One love.